KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hi, this is Compass Control, and today we're demoing our bidirectional module for the Cisco SX80. So when you first jump in, we pull a certain amount of information and request that we subscribe. So that takes a couple of seconds here. All right, so on the page here on the left side, we have our dialer controls. So you can dial individually, or you can even bring up the keypad and enter in an IP address or number with the Apple keyboard. On the right side, we have our camera controls. So if we want to control the camera, we can have it shift left or back right. We also have contacts. So if you have any contacts stored here on the SX80, we can actually pull them and access them and dial them out through here. And if you have meetings also, we can see the list of scheduled meetings. You can also activate Do Not Disturb. Let me see, we just activated it. Let's deactivate it. And you can see on the actual Cisco panel here the changes that happen. So we can also mute the microphone and then unmute it, and mute the audio output also. Unmute that. And for calling, right now we have a temporary link established, so we can actually dial out. Alright, and then this panel here lights up, letting you know that there's a call taking place, or a call being received by the unit. And once it's done, it'll show you the current status. So right now we're connected, and if we want to end that, we can end it here by hitting the end button or the end all button, which will cancel out all active calls. We can also share content into a call, or just preview it. So let's activate the preview. So here we go, we're sharing our camera one here. We can also deactivate that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube page for future driver updates.